Dear student, we are here on the chapter 10, measure of dispersion. In this chapter, first of all, first point is the standard deviation. In the previous video, we are discussing about the different methods for finding the standard deviation. And today's taking the other measure from the standard deviation. Here the other measure is the coefficient of standard deviation, variance, and coefficient of variation. These are the three things based on the standard deviation. So first of all, coefficient of standard deviation. Standard deviation is denoted by sigma, and coefficient of standard deviation is the standard deviation is divided by the arithmetic mean, simple arithmetic mean. So sigma upon x bar. Sigma upon x bar is the coefficient of standard deviation. This is the another measure based on the standard deviation. Second, coefficient of variation. Variation and variance are different. So these are the coefficient of variation. Variation is also related for this thing. So convert this value into the percentage is the variation. Find the degree of measure in percentage, that is the variation. And these things are helpful for comparison of the two different series, two different data, which data is more reliable or the more accurate or the more consistent. We are finding for the coefficient of variation, because variation gave the answer into the percentage and it's very easy for the understand. So coefficient of variation is sigma upon x bar into 100. Convert this data into the percentage. In the short way, CV, coefficient of variation, sigma upon x bar into 100. Here the answer is available in the percentage, and if the percentage is higher, then the data are not homogeneous. यहाँ पर अगर percentage higher होगा तो data are not homogeneous. The higher percentage या higher answer and lower answer, lower percentage. If the percentage is higher, then the data are not homogeneous. Not consistent, not reliable, less uniform, we should give the answer in the opposite way. अगर percentage higher होगा तो reliability is lower, that is the variation is higher. In the two different series, the data in the variation is higher, then data are not homogeneous. Variation बहुत ज़्यादा है, उनमें difference ज़्यादा होगा. Then we should give the answer in this way. And in the lower percentage of variation is lower, then the data are reliable, consistent and homogeneous data. More consistent, more reliable, and uniform data. These are the two measures based on the standard deviation and mean. Next, third is the variance. Variance is also related for the standard deviation. Third is the variance. Sigma is the standard deviation and square of standard deviation. Square of standard deviation is called variance. So square of standard deviation, in the standard deviation we are using this formula fx square अपॉन n. यहाँ पर आपको वो का वो करना है डायरेक्टली summation of fx square upon n is the variance. So variance is the square of standard deviation. Here the question is the practice for the measure of dispersion, that is the CV. Because the question is to check the quality of two bulbs and their life in the burning hours are given. Here the brand of, there are two brand A and brand B. The data of brand B is given. But first of all find the standard deviation on the brand A. This is the life of a bulb in hours. 15 bulb have a life of between 0 to 50 hours and so on. And there are 100 bulb for the brand A and 100 bulb for the brand B. And to check the quality of which brand is have a higher life and which brand have a lower life. So that is the comparison. So we should find the CV. CV is sigma upon x bar into 100. If the percentage of variation is higher, then it is not reliable. Lower percentage have a good life. So find the percentage of CV of two brand A and brand B. तो हमें यहाँ फाइंड करना है सिग्मा एंड एक्स बार. अब एक्स बार फाइंड करना है आपको और सिग्मा भी फाइंड करना है. तो आप किसी भी मेथड को यूज करो. देयर आर 4 मेथड्स. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग द standard deviation. First x is 25, mid value 75, 125, 175 and 225. स्टेप डेविएशन से करते हैं. इसको a ले लो और स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट x बार फाइंड होगा. फिर इसके बाद सिग्मा समीशन ऑफ f d डैश स्क्वायर अपॉन n माइनस f d डैश अपॉन n का होल स्क्वायर इंटू सी स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर है. समीशन ऑफ f d डैश अपॉन n दैट इज द मीन. सो पहले मीन ही फाइंड कर लो. समीशन ऑफ f d डैश अपॉन n ये मीन रहता है. तो मीन के लिए फर्स्ट डी डैश निकालना है. डी डैश इज x माइनस है. हियर a इज 125 तो ये 0, ये -1 -2 1 and 2. फिर डी डैश स्क्वायर इसका स्क्वायर कर लो 4 1 0 1 एंड 4। किसी भी मेथड को यूज कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट मेथड, assumed mean मेथड, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड। आई एम यूजिंग द स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड। फिर इसके बाद कॉलम यहाँ पर देखो एफ डी डैश होगा और एक एफ डी डैश का स्क्वायर। तो एक तो एफ डी डैश में इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई, -30 -20 0 25 और 44। एक होगा एफ डी डैश का स्क्वायर, मल्टीप्लाई इन दोनों का कर लो 60, यहाँ पर 20 और 1, 20 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, ये 0 25 और ये 22 इंटू 4 88। सो सम इट, वन 193। तो समीशन ऑफ एफ डी डैश स्क्वायर, यहाँ पर इन दोनों का सम कर लो 9 69 तो पॉजिटिव और ये 50 नेगेटिव है, तो 50 माइनस कर लो इसमें से तो 90, इनकी वैल्यू पुट कर लो। तो ये हो जाएगा आपका सिग्मा। अभी एक्स बार भी फाइंड करना है, बिकॉज सी बी इक्वल टू सिग्मा अपॉन एक्स बार। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द सिग्मा। समीशन ऑफ एफ डी डैश स्क्वायर, ये 193 अपॉन एन, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन 100, summation of f d dash upon n, summation of f d dash 19 upon n is 100, इसका स्क्वायर और into c, c is the class size, here class size is 50। So in the calculation 193 अपॉन 100 तो 1.93, यहाँ पर 19 का स्क्वायर होगा 361, बट डिवाइडेड बाय 100 स्क्वायर तो 10,000, तो 0.0361 और इंटू 50। फिर इन दोनों का डिफरेंस, हियर द डिफरेंस इज 1.8939। इट्स a simple calculation, so you can do it, and square root of 1.8939 by using the division method and find the square root, and here square it 1.376 multiplied by 50। so multiply करो 0 6 5 30, 3 carry 5 7 35 और 38 3 carry and 5 3 15, 18 1 carry 6, 68.8, 3 digit का decimal तो 68.8। so sigma is 68.8। next find the x bar। x बार आपको फाइंड करना है, क्योंकि ये स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड है, डायरेक्ट मेथड नहीं है। सो x बार होगा a प्लस अज्यूम्ड मीन लिया अपनों ने, समीशन ऑफ एफ डी डैश अपॉन n इंटू सी, a 125 समीशन ऑफ एफ डी डैश 19 अपॉन n 100 इंटू सी 50, so 125 प्लस 19 का हाफ कर लो 9.5, so whose sum is 0.5, 134.5, 134.5 is the x bar। Next find the CV। CV is sigma upon x bar into 100, Here sigma is 68.8 upon x bar 134.5 into 100, and after the calculation 51.15%. The CV of first brand A is 51.15%. Next type of brand B is the data for the brand B is given, and similarly we can find the mean and CV of brand B for the same way using the step deviation method, and find the average and then find the standard deviation and again CV. There are in both the brand there are same number of bulb, 100 and 100. So the mean of first brand A is 134.5 and their CV is 51.15. Similarly we can find it, and its mean is 136.5 and its CV is 27.34. CV is the for finding the variation, measure of variation. Here the measure of variation is less, so the data of brand B is more reliable and their mean is higher. अब mean average अगर greater होगा तो data is more reliable. Average के sense में तो higher, but in the variation is lower, then the data is more reliable, more homogeneous, more consistent, and their life is better for the bulb B. So here CV of brand B is less in percentage than the life of brand B या bulb B is higher. So you can do the practice of same type of question: standard deviation, variance and variation.